Alright, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Thursday. Pretty complicated day because I did have a green day with my actual trading. However, I had to deal with some crazy bullshit. Like crazy bullshit. I'm back on 4 evals and 1 XFA with Lucid. All my other accounts got blown. I'm explaining that right now. Did I take any bad trades? I could have taken better trades. Did my account ever go less than $2,000 into drawdown? No, I actually don't know what the fuck happened. Like, I'm so confused. I'm talking to TradeAway support right now, trying to fix this because this is actually like beyond my understanding. I've never had something like this happen to me. I've had copy traders fail in the past, and my lead account fills in order, and all of them fill in order. But my lead account and my other accounts were in sync the whole day, except for when I took this last trade. All my accounts got blown, and my lead account banked $1,000. Mind you, I didn't see a tick of drawdown on this last trade. I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, this is 4 evals to make up for the fucking accounts that I got lost. All right, first things first, I longed market open. I was very bullish today. I wanted to see price fill this hourly gap. I long market open. What happens? I got stopped out. I lost like 1.2 on that trade. What happens next? I re-enter halfway through 930. To this low, simple displacement. We also tap this 5-minute gap right here, like barely. So displacement coming out of a 5-minute gap, targeting internal low. Very simple model. Halfway through 930, I entered, made my money back a little less. I was down $80 per account, right? $80 per account at this point in time. Hourly unfilled above me. What do? I see price finally starts to displace, and we're also about to inverse this 5-minute gap right here. So what do? I enter long. Well, I click buy right around here, right? Let's see where TradeAway fucking fills me. Because when I click buy, TradeAway was just sitting there loading for 20-30 seconds while price was just ripping. So I got filled up here. On my fucking life, I get filled up here. I thought TradeAway was trolling. I got filled up here. Nothing I can do. Stop loss at this point in time was 50 points because there's nothing else I could do. I was so mad when this happened. Lost 2,000 on that trade because I've been trading 2 minis, right? So at this point in time, I'm down $2,100 per account, right? Let's see what I do next. I go long here on this candle, halfway through this candle, stops right below the low. TP here, went for a 1-to-1, right? Now this trade, I make $3,000. I entered this trade with 2 minis. No, 3 minis. I took the trade with 3 minis. I think 3 minutes. Let me double check that for you guys. 40 times 3 times 20. Yeah, I caught a little more than my profit was a little higher. 3 minis and I took profit a little bit higher. I got lucky with those fills, I guess. But this is fucking insane to me. This is actually fucking insane to me because I've never had this happen to me. I'm down $80 and I'm down $2,080 or $2,100 and I'm up $3,000. My lead account is up literally $1,000 on the day, but my accounts get fucking blown. I don't know what happened. I generally just don't know what the fuck happened. I'm really mad about that because I've had issues in the past where I leave a limit order and my accounts all get cooked. I understand if my lead account got blown and all my accounts got blown, but being up 1,000 and having my followers like get blown is kind of just sad, bro. I spent a week passing those evals. I was a little upset about that. With that being said, I already have passed my Lucid evals, so hopefully I can have max allocation back tomorrow with Lucid. And Tradeify, I'm not even gonna bother buying accounts until I get a fucking payout because I just dropped $2,000 on evals in the last fucking week on the allocation I just had. So I'm just gonna wait that shit out, right? In the meantime, pretty simple day, honestly. It wasn't that hard to trade. And then after that, I loved this short. This is the short I took on eval. You could see right here. I think these are my evals. Yeah. After this 5-minute inverse, I just smacked a short. Literally needed 20 points. I traded this shit with like 10 minis. Something like that. And made my bread for the day. That's it. That was the eval trade. Simple. Full port. My fucking evals. I took the last set of evals extremely slow because I was copy trading 5 Lucids with 5 Tradeifys, but now that I'm just doing 4 Lucids, I'm just gonna full port them, hopefully get them past tomorrow. And today's Thursday, right? So hopefully be max allocated by Monday for the new trading week. But this is honestly so fucking stupid, bro. I was gonna reach out to Tradecopia to get a sponsorship. I still recommend them, but I'm not gonna promote them, bro. After that bullshit. The thing is, I don't even think it was Tradecopia. I think it was Trade-O-Vate. I think Trade-O-Vate filled my followers so late in price that they lost a lot more on the losing trades than they should have. I don't think that it was Tradecopia. I'm still not getting a code with them, and I'm still not gonna promote them, but kind of unfortunate. Nothing I can do. Any questions, feel free to comment them. I will be there to answer. And I hope you guys have a blessed day and your copy trader doesn't fuck up. All right. Peace out.